Okay, children, and today's one from question number 5, 6, and 7. Okay, please take part actively in the class activities. And today's class goes like this. Question number 5. And question number 5, look, children. Okay, see here, in question number 5, there is given a universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, O, U. Okay, and set A is A, B, C, D, E, and set B, inside set B there is what? A, E, I, O, U, and set C is D, E, F, I. When we show in Venn diagram, first of all draw the Venn diagram like this, okay, of three sets A, B, and C. Okay, we have to start writing the elements from beginning from here, okay, this part. Are you looking my this ticked one sign?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we always start putting the elements from this part, okay, because this is the common part of A, B, and C, all three states. Okay, Abiral, start from here. E is common from all these states, okay. Then we have to start from here. From here, okay, this is the common part of A and B. This is the common part of A and B only. That means A intersection B only this is. Can you tell children what is this part called? This part is called A intersection B only. And this part is A intersection B intersection C. After that we have to put here this part one. What is common in B and C? What is common in B and C there? What is common in B and C there, children? I.
So
I. Good. Then after we have to start putting here. Here. This is the common part of A and C. Okay. After filling these elements, okay, now we have to start writing the elements of remaining of set A. If you have written A, E, D from set, look A, this one, A written already, okay, uh, B also written there, C also written there, right? And the what is written? D also written there. Okay, look here. All the values of this set A are coming there or not? Check. First of all, I told fill from here,
yes, sir.
then this one, and then this one. Then and now we have to check what are the remaining from A. Remaining from A are B and C. Remaining from A right here, okay, in remaining part of A set. Now can you tell what are the remaining of set B? What are the remaining of set B there?
So
O and
OU.
O and U. Good. Right here O and U remaining of B. And what are remaining of set C? Set C remaining.
F.
F. After writing this, okay, remaining of set A, B, and C, now we have to start writing the remaining elements of universal set, this one. From this universal set, what are remaining? Write them outside. Right outside, okay. H, G are left. Okay. H and G are left from universal set. Write them outside. Okay, children, how to show in Venn diagram these three sets, understood? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look here, I want to show you the next one here. Here is asked to find B minus A. Then first of all, we have to find B minus A. Okay, write all the sets here, then write here B minus A equals to what, okay? We are going to find B minus A. Now, B minus A equals to write B elements first and write C elements, and then there is minus sign. And what is the meaning of subtraction? Look here. When you subtract the set, look here, what are same elements here and here? A same. Okay. Another E also same. Right? What are the remaining elements in set B cylinder?
IOU.
OU.
IOU. Very good. Remaining of B are there IOU. That's why its answer will be the remaining elements of B only. Don't write the remaining elements of set A. Write the remaining elements of set B. Okay, children? Understood this subtraction? Hello, children? Have you understood the subtraction of these sets and how to show them in Venn diagram? And look here, IOU was answered. That's why in
Yes.
which part there is IOU, in which part there is IOU, that part should be shaded. In which part there is IOU, that part should be shaded. Are you clear, children? If,
Yes, sir.
and suppose look here, if answer comes F,
Excuse me, sir.
yes please.
Sir, हामीले नि क्वेसन नम्बर 4 सम्म गरिसक्यौं.
Yes, already I taught 1 number, 2 number,
Sir,
3 number, 4 number also.
sir, yesterday.
Yes, before class, previous class. Okay.
Sir, sir,
And
this
look,
question is from book or not? If it is from book, then I will do.
yes, these
Yesterday
all,
I was absent
no, these all
because of
questions.
that electricity.
Oh yeah, these all questions I am teaching from the book only, no? Okay? All the
Sir, in
questions,
which page number is it?
this is in page number 151.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now here, I repeat again, if IOU is the answer, then IOU in which is part, that part should be shaded. And please don't forget to write, okay, below the Venn diagram that what is shaded there? Which part is shaded there?
B minus A.
Minus A.
Yeah, that should be also mentioned at the bottom of this Venn diagram. Okay, children, are you clear about this question?
Yes, sir.
Sakshi, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look here. Should I proceed to the next slide? Similarly, you have to find. Look, I want to tell you, children, one look here. This question number 5, all the Venn diagram will be same because the sets are same. No, in all question 1, all the Venn diagram will be same. But what will be different? Do you know? This shaded portion will be different because answer of the questions will be different there. But Venn diagram will be same, eh? Here IOU is the answer, that's why IOU part should be shaded. Okay? Which is part answer comes, okay, that part only you have to shade. Are you clear, children, about it? Okay, then look here. The next one is this one. Okay, these questions also how you have to do, you know, we have to do C minus B and so in Venn diagram. Venn diagram will be same as I told. Okay, children. And here also you have to find C minus A and do union with B. Okay, first of all you have to find A union B, then subtract it from universal set. Here you have to find A union B, find separately, A intersection B, find separately and subtract them. Here what you have to do? First of all, A minus B do, then do union with C. Are you clear, children, here? How to do this one? Hello, children, please show the response,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
You can solve this. Venn diagram will be same, just answer will become different and shading part will be the different. Okay? Now, this for the solution hint only I am telling. Just I told, Venn diagram for all the question will be same, but according to the answer we have to state the reason. Are you clear? You will do this as
Yes,
your
sir.
okay as your work also. Okay, you will do this as your work. Today proceed to the next question, number 6. Hello, children. Today proceed to the question number 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sadiq sir. In this question, is there any difficult one? I will explain. Do you have any difficulties in these questions? Okay, look there. Next one. This is question number 6. Look here. Here, in this question, we have tried this all the sets one. Here we have to find out first A union B, which is given in bracket. Do that first. Okay, A union B do first. Union you know how to do. You have to combine them, but while combining, don't repeat the same elements. Okay, this is the A union B. Now from A union B subtract C. From A union B subtract the elements of set C. Okay. Then what will be answer? 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. And where in which is part they are lying. Okay. Those parts should be shaded. Are you clear, children? From A union B, from A union B, which part is subtracted? Which part is not shaded here? C is not shaded. That's why this is A union B minus C is shaded. Are you clear, children, about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am showing you the next one. Look here. This is the class of one I am explaining, and I am giving some hints also, so that you will be easily solving such questions. Okay. Here B union C should be done first. B union C find first, and from B union C subtract A. Here what will you do? 3 number. First of all find C union A, and from C union A subtract B. Okay? Okay, Sakshi?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now look here. Here I am giving the hints on. As I told you, Venn diagram will be same. The shaded part only will be the different. Okay, for this one. I explained now. Explained already. Now I am going to explain 7 number. Here what you have to find first. First of all, you will subtract this one, okay? A minus B. Okay, children. Here we find first we find A minus B, then whatever answer comes, from that A minus B we have to subtract C set. Okay? A minus B minus C you have to do. Okay, then your answer will come A only. We just write the remaining elements of A minus B. We don't write the remaining elements of this C because we are subtracting these elements from A minus B. Then its Venn diagram will be like this. It is, this part is what? This part is A minus B minus C. Okay, children? This part is A minus B minus C. Okay? This part, this side part is A only. Okay, that's why this part is A minus B minus C is shaded. Okay, children, you understand how to do it? Understood, children, this one? Okay, then after this, look here, the classwork also you have to do same one. Okay, Venn diagram will be same, but answer of the different question will be different one, and the shading part will be the different one. Okay, whatever answer comes, that part should be shaded here. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you for watching. And today this much only, and we will study other remaining questions in next period. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye bye all of you.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir. Stay safe.
Okay, bye.